Hello everyone, I'm Andrew, and in this video, if you've got a smoke alarm where you've replaced the battery, you have cleaned the sensor if that's what you want to get into, and it's still chirping, I have news for you. There is a lifespan to smoke detectors, and it's usually around 10 years. It will chirp incessantly, the newer ones will, no matter what you do, and that is because it is telling you it's time to replace it. So here's the one that I picked up. It is made by the same company. It's the First Alert, and it has newer technology. So it might just be worth upgrading instead of trying to clean the sensor, which you can do, but this one, I'll tell you why I like this one. It has AA batteries instead of a 9-volt. That alone is worth it because I think that's the biggest reason why people, second only to not having a ladder and getting up to change it, is they don't have a 9-volt on hand. They're not common like AA's are. And newer build homes will have networked smoke detectors. And this has the same adapter, same connector as the other model. This is like a 15, almost 17-year-old model maybe. And it still has the same connector, so you don't have to worry about that, which is great. Now, this also has a carbon monoxide filter, or not filter, a carbon monoxide sensor, which is good, of course. And it has upgraded technology, so where this one pretty much has one path for smoke vapor to enter, this has 360 degrees of entry for any kind of smoke. And it has something, when I was reading, it said it can detect even very mild smoldering type fires and things like that. So there is an upgrade in the technology, and you're not always going to be able to just clean the sensor and get away with it. Obviously, if you do, you still want to test it and make sure that you did it right instead of just killed the sensor, if you're going to go that path. But at this point, I just recommend upgrading. Like I said, there's a link in the description if you want to. Click that and it will help my channel. Also, if you give this video a like, but if you have any questions or comments, feel free to let me know in the section below. Thanks for watching, and I really hope this helped. Have a great day. So here it is installed, and what's cool is that it just mounts to the other mounting bracket. So it's fully designed to be just integrated right into your previous smoke alarm.